always have disaster, but this is the worst one I've ever seen.
So I know that in every community that I've seen rebuild, it's brought communities back stronger together. So work together, start cleaning up, and understand that there's a massive ground force coming behind you, because now it's time for you to receive.
So this is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth. I will never leave the shores. I will never run away. No way, no way, no way.
Some people now take this thing as serious. Melissa now ram. This Melissa is a virgin.
Whether or not it's coming, you have to be prepared. From you get the warning, just be prepared. It's best. You be prepared and it don't come, then it don't prepare and it come.
Bad girl deep queen, I'm gonna tell you about it. You don't know me, I big up Slick 44 music news loud. I'm gonna tell you about it.
Hypocrite and grudgeful, I one of a kind. Go and do your thing, me just leave it to time. Go leave, start a star from shine.
This is DJ Stick Father 4 viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another episode of DJ Stick Father 4 Music News. So viewers and subscribers, I have a bag of things to share this morning. And I just want to highlight this video before I start off the entire vlog.
Alright, so if you're traveling to the western side of the island to provide support, this video is for you and yours. Please be mindful, please be careful, right? Not only that, it's possible that you might get robbed, especially if you're not going down there in large groups, but also be mindful that a hurricane just passed and hospitals were blown down. Funeral homes were damaged. Graves were uprooted. And a lot of the people that you're going around are coming from homes that possibly have bodies, decomposing bodies in them. A lot of these people might have had to interact with these decomposing bodies also. And illness is a thing. So please do with that information what you will. Wear your mask, wear your gloves, wear your water boot, because hey, you might have step in some water, you might have walked through some puddles, you might have got some pot, right? Be mindful of where you're going, where you're stepping. Hepatitis A and B, they're an actual thing. Be mindful that, again, the people that you're going amongst might have cuts, and you're interacting with these people out of the kindness of your heart, yes, but just stay conscious, please.
Caribbean family, Jamaica needs our help. If you don't know by now, Jamaica was hit by a Category 5 Hurricane Melissa, affecting people all across the island. Now, Jamaica is a place that I call my second home, and it's on us to help our brothers and sisters in their time of need. Check my caption to see places in Trinidad where you can donate, so we can help Jamaica get back on their feet. Jamaica, we love you from Trinidad. See y'all in a bit.
Respect for everything you have done, but right now we are in dire need for food, water, zinc, nails, and wood. The people have no roofs. A lot of people are sleeping in their cars on the road. Some are just sleeping under whatever zinc they can find. But we desperately need those things, and if people have chainsaws and you can give them up and send them here, please. We're trying to cut to neighborhoods that are cut off completely. We're begging help, please.
My name is Eric Donaldson, and I was born in St. Catherine. Right now, although the storm came through the other day, And I know it destroys a lot of you, but be strong. I know that is just the test of time. I get myself associated with this organization called Give Back to Jamaica, which I think is a super venture, and I think it is doing good for a lot of schools in Jamaica. They send out gifts like shoes to the schools and book and pencil, and I appreciate that very much. See? So right now I wanted to tell you that I take a part in it sometime because I enter 2 times into different venues. But all I have to offer, I said to the youth, is to keep a good education going. And if it happens that you have to choose professions, choose more than one. The road is long, winding and slippery. Sometimes you slip and you got to fall, And that's how it is right now. And well, I'm Eric Donaldson. I have my ups and downs. I am a winner of the festival song competition in Jamaica for 7 times, yeah. And it's really a boost for me in my life. Because, not to say I didn't know that I would reach this far, because I have this dream in my mind even before I start singing songs, that I'm going to be a superstar in the music industry. And it does happen. It's like I speak to the inner man, and he revealed what was in my mind to reality. So this is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth. I will never leave the shores. I will never run away. No way, no way, no way.
Can I tell me, we always have disaster, but this is the worst one I've ever seen.
Give back to Jamaica!
Alright. The chance to get the situation like this, we might end up with it.
We're really grateful. To be honest, really grateful because we really are struggling. The struggle is hard.
Yeah man, we see it man.
And this can come in here so him come with you up and come assist with you with the water. We late in the night because we stuck in and know what to shelter. I cry, and I feel shake him, and the rain a pour, and I just feel shake him. When I time I land under the bed, I have to run with him just to get a little shelter and something there. But when the zinc go off now, I feel just have one little piece of Salitex over my head, so we shelter the little baby, 6 months old.
Oh, where's the 6 months old baby?
I have to send him somewhere.
Oh boy. Alright, so we're gonna take a look. Where is your room? Alright, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna supply you with some zincs and plyboard. So yeah. So where you sleep now?
I just knock on the roof on my sister's room. Right there.
Oh my God.
I still have to have pan catch. I just wet up now. I catch water from.
Tell me something, you think Jamaica will come through this?
Yes, we're going to.
Why you say that?
Because we already been through 5 years of disaster. From the corona till now, we go through disaster till now, and we're still standing strong.
You're sure about that?
Yes,
Let me play some mashup, man.
Because Jamaica are the most happiest people in the world, and the most people can forgive people. Jamaica is the best for that.
I love that.
And the most church in the world is Jamaica. So God is with we.
So what about the most bar them too?
Bar is just bar for happiness. You know, people who don't, you know.
So what you have to say to the international people who help Jamaica now?
Thanks and praises to what you're doing. When you help us, God help you.
And what you say to Jamaican people?
Start live with each other good. Start live with each other good, and we start go to God more.
Bless.
And be kind and happy in life.
Righteousness. 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 Wake up people. Righteousness. Righteousness. Righteousness exalted a nation. Righteousness exalted a nation. But sin is our approach unto anything. Is our approach unto anything. For Jamaica to be truly great. For Jamaica to be truly great. Put God first. Put God first. Put God first. Put God first. Move forward in faith. Move forward in faith. Unity is strength. Unity is strength. Strength is power. Strength is power. Power is God. Power is God. God is love. God is love. Love is victory. Love is victory. Love is victory. Love is victory. We're not here. We're not here to play. To dream, to drift. We have hard work to do. We have hard work to do. Win to live. Glory to God. Glory to God. Righteousness. Sealer. Ready.
Bruce, if you love reggae music, make some noise!
Well, as usual, greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor I Selassie I the First. Yes, it is please just keep Jamaica in your prayers. See? Love and honor to everyone that has been here right now to make this thing reality.
You know the vibe? And more love to the people of the world who support reggae. Reggae is the heartbeat of the people. Never forget that. You see me? Reggae music is what brought the people here to Jam and Crew. So we're going to keep the music alive. If you love the vibe, say more alive. If you love Jamaica, say more alive.
Give back to Jamaica.
Enough of them I get stuck, them I go get where the duck get. Me we never bow to no man cause I got a my head. Can't cancel. If the one of them write me off and them no write me off. So me tell them when I get do not dash away. Me no care what Mama Lashy say. When them a fling them even me wash away.
Bad girl deep in, I'm going to tell you about it. You don't know me, I big up Slick 44 music news loud. I'm going to tell you about it.
I go paid in my mind. Hypocrite and grudgeful, I one of a kind. Go and do your thing, me just leave it to time. Go leave, start a star from shine.